guys, my name is Tushar and I'm very excited to share कि मैं अपना पहला ट्रैवल ब्लॉग बनाने जा रहा हूँ और इस ब्लॉग में हम वियतनाम कवर करने वाले हैं. We will be traveling from southern part of Vietnam to northern part, so we will covering from Ho Chi Minh all the way to Hanoi. And right now I'm in Canada. मैं Canada से fly करूँगा India. From there I will fly to Vietnam. So for me it's going to be a big journey. So it's going to be hectic for me. So I hope कि आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगे. Without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, वियतनाम ट्रैवल करने के लिए आपको चाहिए ई वीज़ा और ई वीज़ा अप्लाई करना बहुत ही आसान है. सिर्फ एक पेज का फॉर्म है आपको जो फिल आउट करना है. आपको कुछ भी एडिशनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स अटैच नहीं करने हैं. यू जस्ट नीड योर पासपोर्ट एंड अ फोटोग्राफ जो कि आप अपने फ़ोन से खींच सकते हो. और उसके बाद आप बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन सॉफ्टवेयर हैं उसके थ्रू आप एडिट कर सकते हो. उनकी जो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड एक फोटो साइजिंग है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं उनकी. और साथ में उनकी जो ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है सिर्फ वहीं पे जाकर ही अप्लाई करें. किसी और वेबसाइट पे जाके अप्लाई मत करें. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर वेबसाइट्स दैट विल शो कि यहाँ पे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, बट ये जो वेबसाइट आप देख रहे हो सिर्फ इसी पे ही जाके अप्लाई करें. तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं सिंगल एंट्री और मल्टीपल एंट्री वीजा. तो मैंने जो है वो सिंगल एंट्री वीजा अप्लाई किया था जिसकी कॉस्ट है 25 USD, और अगर मल्टीपल एंट्री वीजा अप्लाई करते हैं उसकी कॉस्ट है 50 USD. So I will suggest if you are just going for a travel basis, you can apply for single entry, or if you want to do like multiple trips, you can apply for multi entry. It's up to you. But जो इसका ई वीजा है वो वैलिड है सिर्फ और सिर्फ 90 days के लिए. So being said that, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the form and fill the form, and we'll show you how to fill the form, what all information you need to put in the form, and you don't need any extra information that's not required because there's a lot of confusion. Even I had a lot of confusion when I filled the form, but don't worry about it. It's nothing much. It's very simple steps, very easy to apply. You don't have to worry about anything. I will show you how to apply. So before we move to the form, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. No funds, no limits. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out the upcoming videos. And अगर आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगे और आपको कुछ information मिले, तो don't forget to give us a like. Go to your browser and search for Vietnam e-visa, and you have to scroll down and open this evisa.gov.vn website, and you can also find the link to this website in the description in case you don't want to search it up. Once the website is loaded, click on apply now and you will see this pop up. Simply scroll down and check these two boxes and click on next. Here you have to upload your photo and passport. Once you upload, you can see it shows on the right hand side that it is this percentage matched. After that, you have to fill personal information. As you can see, it has auto-filled few information from my passport. Just make sure you double check this information and it should be as per your passport. Last name, given name, date of birth, nationality. For identity card, you can leave this blank. You see there is no red asterisk beside it. You only have to fill the information that has red asterisk beside it. So I'm gonna put my email. My religion is Hindu. Place of birth, India. And then I will re-enter my email. Then have to check these boxes. Have you ever used any other passport to enter into Vietnam? No. Do you have multiple nationalities? No. Violation of the Vietnamese laws? No. The second section is requested information. For the visa type, you can choose single entry or multi-entry. I choose single, but if you are planning to visit Vietnam more than once within 90 days, you can choose multi-entry. E-visa valid from, I'm just gonna choose random dates for now. From and to, you can apply for 30 days. It doesn't really matter because they allow 90 days maximum stay. Then you have to fill out passport information, your passport number, place of issue. You can find all this information on your passport. Passport type, most of us gonna have ordinary passport. Then date of issue and expiry date. We have to fill out the contact information starting with permanent resident address. You can put the same as on your passport. For the contact address, you can put the same as permanent address. your phone number. Then for emergency contact, you can put your friends' information or your family members' information. Have to put their name, their residential address, phone number, and your relationship with them. You don't need to fill this occupation section. You can just leave it black. And then we have to fill this information about the trip. For purpose of entry, it's gonna be tourism. You can fill accordingly depending on what you are going for. Intended date of entry. If you haven't finalized the dates, you can put something around the dates you are planning to go. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, it has auto-filled the dates because we already mentioned the dates above. So if you want to change the dates here, you can change it. It won't affect the dates that you have mentioned above. Then intended length of stay. I have put 31 days. Again, you can go up to 90 days, so it doesn't really matter what you mention here. Phone number for Vietnam, you can leave it blank. For the residential address in Vietnam, for this you can put the address of one of the hotels you have booked, and if you have not booked any hotel yet, you can simply search any hotel and put the address. It should be fine. For the ward, you can find it on the address of the hotel, and if you cannot find it, just simply Google it and put something closer to your hotel, whatever ward is closer to the hotel. Intended border of entry. For this, if you are entering by road or through seaport, you have to mention the same port you are entering. But if you are entering via flight, then you can mention any, it doesn't really matter. But if you are sure which border you're gonna enter through, just simply mention it. Then intended border of exit, it should be the same process. If you are flying, it doesn't really matter. Then you can check this box over here. After this, we got few boxes to check, and you can check this depending on your situation. Agency that the applicant plans to contact. No. Have you been to Vietnam in the last 1 year? No. Do you have relatives who currently reside in Vietnam? No. And if you are accompanying a child who is under 14 years of age, then you will have to fill this section over here. I'm not gonna do that because there is no child with me. So we will just move to next step. Trips, expenses, and insurance. You don't really have to fill this section. As you can see, there's no asterisk, but I'm still gonna do it. So for this intended expenses, you can put anything, but I would say don't put below 500. Did you buy insurance? No. Who will cover the expenses? Personal. Payment method, cash. Then simply check the declaration thing and click next. It will take you to review your application. Simply review everything and make sure there are no spelling mistakes and everything matches according to your passport. Double check all the information you see over here and just scroll down. You're gonna see this captcha. Just fill the captcha and click next. Then you will see this notice, and if you want, you can print it or save it or take a screenshot because you will need this electronic document code to check the status of your visa, as well as once your visa is approved, you will need this to download your visa as well. Even if you don't do it, you will get it through your email, so don't worry about it that much. But still, if you want, you can take a picture of it. Once you confirm this, you will be redirected to payment. It's gonna charge you 25 USD for single entry visa. Check agree to pay and click payment. Then you can simply enter your card details and you are good to go. तो गाइस, ये जो फॉर्म है इसको फिल करने के लिए आपको कुछ चीज़ों का जो है ध्यान रखना है। वो ये है कि जो भी आप इन्फॉर्मेशन डाल रहे हैं वो आपके पासपोर्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ही होनी चाहिए। अगर आप अपना नेम डाल रहे हैं, डेट ऑफ बर्थ डाल रहे हैं, एड्रेस उस पर मेंशन कर रहे हैं जो कि रिक्वायर्ड है, तो वो आपके पासपोर्ट से मैच होना चाहिए। समटाइम्स देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज कि आपके जो ई वीज़ा पे है उस पर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होती है आपके नेम में, जो आपके पासपोर्ट से मैच नहीं होती है। So to avoid that, just make sure you are putting the same exact spellings as on your passport. You don't want any issues on the airport, or you don't want your trip to be ruined. So to prevent all those things, just follow the instructions and just pay attention to the details.